Hi there, welcome back to Increasing Friendly. Among so many videos on YouTube about how to solve the true false not given question type in the IELTS, I'm going to make this video for you so that it will help you to eliminate your confusion about the best way to solve true false not given question type. True false not given question type is one of the question types that most students struggle with because they often get confused between true and false, say false and not given. So I'm going to make this video so that your confusion about true false not given will be eliminated once and for all. Please watch this video from start to finish. So let's get started. As with any question type, survey the text by reading its title, reading its subtitle, and reading the first few lines. Spare a few seconds to do that, because the vast majority of test takers overlook the title, subtitle, and the first few lines. They directly start doing the questions, which I think is a wrong approach, because you cannot solve the questions without first understanding the main theme. So today I'm going to focus specifically on true false not given question type. These are the true false not given question type. The instructions tell you that true means the statement agrees with the information. False means the statement contradicts the information. And not given, there's no mention on the information on this. And let me add you one more point. In order for you to ease deciding the statements as to whether they are true, false, not given, the best way to do is that if a statement is correct according to the text. Let me repeat. If a statement is correct according to the text, that is true. The words may be different in the text, different from the ones given in the statement. However, the main focus, the main idea of the statement is mentioned in the text. If it is correct according to the text, that is true. False means the statement is incorrect according to the text. The best way to find whether a statement is false or not is to check by referring back to the text whether you can correct the statement or not. I'll show you in a minute. And not given means, which is the question type that most students have difficulty to distinguish from false. They often get confused between false and not given. Not given means you cannot decide on the basis of the information given in the text whether the statement is correct or incorrect. That is not given. So let's try how to decide true, false, not given. So the first thing you should do is to read the statement and underline its keywords. These keywords are the ones that you scan in the text. The aim of the research by Pelagus Institute in 1998 was to prove that Navy sonar was responsible for whale strandings. So it says that the main aim of this particular research by this particular institute, 1998, was to prove sonar was responsible for whale strandings. The second paragraph, in 1998, researchers at Pelagus Research Institute, Greek non-profit scientific group, linked whale strandings with low-frequency sonar tests being carried out by the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. They recorded the stranding of whales over 38.2 kilometers of coastline. Yes, the This particular paragraph mentions 1998 researchers Pelagos Institute. However, it does not mention any aim of the institute. So we cannot decide whether the main aim of this particular research by this particular institute was to prove Navy sonar was responsible for well stranding or not. So this is not given. Let's have a look at the second question. Question number 23. The whales stranded in Greece were found at different points along the coast. The keywords: the whales stranded Greece, found different points along the coast. So, here are the keywords. In the same paragraph, mass whale strandings involve 4 or more animals. Typically, they all wash ashore together, but in mass atypical strandings, such as the one in Greece, the whales don't strand as a group. They are scattered over a larger area. They do not strand as a group. They are scattered. So, which is the same as found at different points along the coast. Yes, that is correct, because the text mentions that they do not strand as a group, but they are scattered over a larger area. So that is right. So this is true. Rosemary Gales has questioned the research techniques used by the Greek scientist. So the keywords here are Rosemary Gales questioned research techniques, Greek scientist. So let's get back to the text. Here are the keywords. Another is Rosemary Gales, a leading expert on whale strandings. She says sonar technology cannot always be blamed for mass strandings. It is a case-by-case situation. Whales have been stranding for a very long time pre-sonar. However, it does not say anything about whether she questioned the techniques used by. You cannot decide whether this statement is correct or incorrect. We don't know whether she questioned the research techniques used by Greek scientists or not. So this is not given. According to Gale, whales are likely to try to help another whale in trouble. So the keywords again, Gales, whales likely to try help another whale in trouble. So I think we saw those keywords already. So here is mentioned. They are highly social creatures, says Gales. When they mass strand, it's complete panic and chaos. If one of the group strands and sounds the alarm, others will try to swim to its aid and become stuck themselves. Yes, absolutely. Well, whales are likely to help each other in trouble because it mentions, she says, they are highly social creatures. When the mass strand, it's complete panic, chaos. If one of the group strands and sounds the alarm, others will try to swim to its aid. Yes, absolutely right. So this is correct according to this text. So this is true. There is now agreement among scientists that changes in the Earth magnetic fields contribute to whale strandings. Okay, there is agreement among scientists that changes in the Earth magnetic fields contribute to whale strandings. Okay, agreement among scientists, changes in Earth's magnetic fields, whale strandings. These are the keywords. So let's check these keywords. No, I can't find that. Let's turn the next page. So, can you see these keywords suggested that changes in the Earth's magnetic field, which are the same keywords as in the statement? Changes in the Earth's magnetic field might be involved, but others are skeptical. Others doubt this, skeptical. So, not all scientists agree with that. So this is false, because the text says not all agree with that. Some are skeptical. So this is false. So that's all I have for you for today. I hope the information that I covered in this video helps you. If you do have any queries regarding true, false, not given question types, please do feel free to ask me those queries in the comment sections below. Until the next video, take good care of yourself. Good luck with your studies. Thank you.